Hey, John Wilson here from highticketaffiliatecoach.com, and welcome to this video on how to make a subscription product. So we're going to cover how to do that quickly and easily and without complicated tech. And in just a moment, I'm going to show you 3 genius stick strategies to make sure your subscribers stay paying for longer. And while you're there, if you like videos about online business, then be sure to subscribe and smash that like button. So we're going to do this demo in ThriveCart. That's an awesome software I've been using in my digital product and online coaching business for years, and I love it because you can use it to host your digital course and sell it as well, and it's really easy to use for non-techies. So here we are inside of ThriveCart, and what we're going to do is we're going to, first of all, what I did was I clicked the products button at the top there, and we're going to click create product to make a new product. All right. Okay, so we want to just give it a name. Okay, and this is all done in kind of wizard format where you fill in the one screen, click next, it takes you to the next thing that you want to do. You select the currency, we're going to do dollars. Then we click set product price, we're going to do $47. And because it's a subscription, we're going to click subscription here. Now, you can do split pay, which is like a set number of like say 3, split it into 3 subscription payments, but this is going to be a subscription, indefinite subscription. It's going to be monthly. We're going to do $47 at today's price. We'll make it a $1 trial so that people can get in and check it out. And a couple of other configuration options there you can set, but that's the standard. Looks good. Save that, and you can put on sales tax and everything like that as well, but we'll just leave it as is for now. We'll click next. Do we want a bump offer in this product? We won't bother with that on this one. Processors, we will choose Stripe and PayPal. And these are easy to set up separate in the configuration, but we'll proceed for now. Next, to affiliates. No, we won't bother with affiliates for this one. We need to put in a support email here, and that looks good to go. And then we'll do a checkout page, a cart page. This is very easy. We'll just probably just use the default. You can put in a logo there and everything, but as is, looks good. Go next. You can configure the success page as well there. There's lots of different options for videos and all the rest of it, so we'll just leave it as it is. It looks great. And then we click next. You can put in some tracking on the checkout, but we'll just leave that. And this is where you can add people, your customers, to your email list, and that's pretty easy to do, but we'll skip that on this occasion. And there we have it. We have created our subscription product, and if you know, this can be to something that you have set up on another site elsewhere, you know, a membership site or something like that, or if you want to set up your membership site or your digital product inside of ThriveCart, you can do that here inside ThriveCart Learn, which is included with the software. So let's just check out the checkout page and see what that looks like. Pretty basic. We didn't do much modifications to it, but it's functional. It will work, and that's what it looks like. So now we've set up our subscription product. Let's cover 3 stick strategies that you are going to be able to use to keep your subscribers for longer. Now, if you're going to the trouble of getting your customers, then why not make them stick with one of these methods? So the first is community. Community is one of the biggest things that will help people stick around. You know, if they're creating relationships with other people, then they're more likely to stick with your product. And you can do that with say a Facebook group or other, you know, various other paid products as well. Second one that I've seen is a discount club. So let's say you are doing a membership site for people into camping, then you could perhaps set up a discount club for them to get discounted camping gear. So that's number 2. Number 3 is introduce some kind of software, if appropriate to your niche and the thing that you're selling. You could make a software available. Now, this doesn't have to be something that you develop from scratch. You can white label certain things. So for example, in the real estate niche, I white labeled a website creation platform in order to make templates available, specifically for property investors, real estate investors in the UK, and use that as my 6 strategy for my subscription product. So what do you think of those 6 strategies? Do you think you'll use them, or one of them, or maybe something else? So let me know in the comments below. Now, I originally got ThriveCart because I needed to set up funnels and sell my digital course quickly, and I didn't have time to mess about with the complicated tech stuff. And that's one of the reasons why I love it, and I've been with it ever since. And if you want to check it out, you can do through the link in the comments below this video. And if you pick it up through my link in the comments, then I'll give you access to a couple of exclusive bonuses for free. And you can see them via the link. And definitely one of them is going to be my full digital product on how to create your own digital product and launch it. It's called Digital Course Formula, and that's the value of $997. And so you can check that out and see what other bonuses are available through the link under the in the comments. And stay tuned, because in the next video I'm going to show you how to make a membership site, and also a weird invisible upsell strategy. So you can watch that now here, and don't forget to subscribe and turn on that bell for notifications before you go. So thanks for watching. Bye for now, and God bless.